Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the fascinating world of woodworking machinery. In this video, we delve into the inner working of edge bending machines, the unsung heroes of furniture manufacturing. Join us as we take a closer look at how edge bending machines transform raw panels into beautifully finished pieces. From applying seamless edge bending to trimming excess material with precision, these machines are a game changer of woodworking professionals and die enthusiasts alike. Learn about the different types of edge bending machines, their features, and how they can streamline your production process. Whether you seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this video will inspire you to unlock the full potential of your projects with the help of edge bending machines. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your woodworking skills and take your creations to the next level. Hit the play button now and embark on a journey into the world of edge bending machines. Subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips, tricks, and machinery insights. Thanks for watching.